Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to our Spotlight family. This is your Lady Dawn of the second episode of Let's Have Coffee with Lady Dawn this June 12. This is the second episode, as I've said, and since it's Independence Day today, I want to greet you all. Maligayang araw ng ating kasarinlan. O, di ba? Tagalog na Tagalog, di ba? This is a special day. Not only because it is our 124th Independence Day, but also because we are celebrating in advance our Father's Day tonight. Okay? Tonight na ha, kasi more than, it's past 5 o'clock and we are heard all over the world. Not only in the Philippines but also in different parts of the world. So iba-iba ang time natin, right? So today is a very special day. It's Advanced Father's Day. Yay! And happy advanced Father's Day to all our fathers who are tuned in right now and to their respective families. All right. So, actually, Father's Day will still be on the 19th next Sunday, but we decided we have to do it earlier because we know you will be dating your husbands next Sunday. So we are here already. We wanted to do it together with our Independence Day. Okay? So we are very glad. Okay? I am very glad. I have been waiting for this day. You know, this has been, I prayed over it. Who I will be getting as my next guest. And tinuro ako ni Lord sa isang tao. Ewan ko ba, bakit sa kanya, right? So, we have a special guest, a very good friend of mine, a person whom I have known for decades now. Okay? I've known him since 1910. Oh, di ba? 1910? Tagal na, no? All right. So anyway, I know that you are with your families right now, wherever you are right now, probably you're home or vacationing somewhere in the province or taking a dip in the pool or on the beach. We will be with you, accompanying you tonight where we surely will have fun and laughter. Kasama yon kasi masayang kasama ang ating guest today. And we invited someone, haba ng intro ko, a cool dad. Why did I call him a cool dad? You'll find out why later as we go on in the program. Okay, sabi ko nga, he was my classmate way back in 1910. Oy, nagre-react ang mga taga VSF ha. Okay, so we will be greeting everyone later. Okay, he is someone who is so loved by my batchmates, especially, and even the whole school because he is fun to be with. Okay, he's like our batch coordinator. If there are reunions and other events, we came from a small school actually, but so we know everyone. Of course, nung mga after our batch, siguro medyo nung matagal-tagal na, we don't know the others, but we get to meet once in a while in grand reunions. So without further ado, I'd like you all to meet my classmate, my friend, Robert Guerrero. Yay! Hi, Robert!
Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are.
Yes.
Friends, former schoolmates, relatives,
Yes.
brothers and sisters.
Yes,
All right. Well,
correct.
thank you, Lady Dawn, for having me here in your program.
Yep.
Well, there's a disclaimer first, no? It's not true that we went to school in 1910. It's more of 1970s. We're not that old, ah. We're still young.
Oo naman.
1910 is probably Manuel L. Quezon. Anyway, yeah, I guess I would just like to say, you prayed for it, and probably I'm very glad also to be here today, or tonight, wherever you may be,
Yes.
because as you said, this is an advanced celebration of Father's
Correct.
Day.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and I'd like to greet all the fathers out there. A happy Father's Day. It is also an independent. We're also celebrating Independence Day today, so
Right.
happy Independence Day also. No,
Yep.
independence from being single.
Yes. Oh, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, you're right.
So yes, thank you, thank you.
All right. So, maybe we should start the ball rolling now. Para naman masaya, 'di ba? So they will get to know you more. First of all, why did we call you Batboo? I don't know the story behind Batboo. Why is it Batboo?
Okay. Well, actually, I have many names. Probably, I think I'd share this story. As I grew up, especially after high school, when I started college and then working, I had a lot of names. Parang ano yan per period, I had a name. In high school, elementary and high school, I was Batu. When I went to college, I was Robert. When I started working,
Mm-hmm.
they called me Moye. I had a
Uh-huh.
nickname of Moye. And then later on, they called me Wakamiya. And then Don Robert, RG, because RG is the initials of my name, no?
Yes.
Robert R and then Guerrero G, no? RG. And then may ano pa yan, may spin-off pa yan na RG as in AR, tapos
Uh-huh.
GEE, no? So a lot of names as I grew up, but one name stuck. I mean, two
Uh-huh.
names. Batu. Whenever we have this reunion, everybody will call me Batu. And sometimes, to tell you frankly, I'm caught by surprise kasi parang, uy, ako pala yon.
Yes, right.
Kasi matagal na no? Nakalimutan mo na yung nickname mo eh. And
Right.
then also Don Robert. Don
Mm-hmm.
Robert.
Wow. Okay. So,
So yeah.
well,
So
that's
anyway,
mm-hmm.
yeah.
That's
So it
great to
became Batu because there's this show in the US, parang cartoon. It's a spin-off of Batman. So Batfink siya, no? So sabi ko parang cute yung name na Batfink. No? And then yun, went to Batu.
uh-huh. So it's cute naman eh kasi I was just wondering why from when we were young then. Oh, young pa naman tayo ngayon, 'di ba?
Oh
Young pa
yes,
naman
so
tayo, ano ba?
kami nga kabayo lang ang tumatanda eh.
'Di ba? We were already calling you Batboo. But anyway, okay, let's go get down to other things. Okay. How many are you in the family? How many siblings do you have?
We're just two. I have an elder sister.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, we're just two.
Okay.
Well, the story is, as I grew up, you know, hindi kami na kompleto in the family because my dad was working with the WHO. So, as a young kid, I very rare. Actually, I just saw him during Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Tapos when he retired, so he stayed in Manila.
Right.
Yung sister ko naman ang umalis, no? She went to the States. So parang never kaming nabuo for a long period of time.
Mm-hmm.
So, yun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
So I only
talagang
have one
ano,
elder sister.
yes. All right. So, that was your childhood days, right? I
Yes,
remember,
yes.
teka, we were not really classmates, right? We were batchmates. Am I right?
Oh, we are batchmates.
Yes. I'm in the
I
morning
think you were
session.
with other
Yeah, I'm in the
actually
morning
ano eh.
session,
I was
you're in the afternoon session. Right?
uh
O baliktad?
I yeah, baliktad. I was in the
Baligtad.
morning
Oh,
session.
all right.
Oh.
So biglang sobrang tagal na halata na, we forgot na. Anyway, yes, but eventually kasi I had to move to another city, so my heart was broken then. I had to move to another city, so I moved to another school. And then
Mhm.
talk about high school days. How was it? Kasi nawala na ako eh. I didn't know
Wow.
what happened after that. Where were you, into? Was it into sports? What was it?
Uh a lot of things, no?
Right?
But sports never really liked me.
Oh, it's fine.
I wanted basketball, but basketball didn't want me. So,
Okay.
you know, so high school is the best. I think it is the best part of my life. Kasi
Yes.
being, well, my sister wasn't around when I was growing up. So, uh, my classmates, no? You were my brothers and sisters. So for me, as a young kid,
Mhm.
I'm really looking forward going to school kasi when I'm in school, I'll be able to talk to my
Yes.
classmates. We'll be able to play. Alam mo
Uh-huh.
yun? So talagang I was so looking forward going to school kasi it's an opportunity to play, to talk, to, do stuff together.
Right.
So yun. So talagang I mean, not only high school but elementary were so memorable for me. Kaya when I went to college, parang talagang nakaka-miss eh. Nakaka-miss talaga yung high school days. Because,
Yes.
you spent 10 solid years
Together with the
with
same people, right?
together. Some of our other classmates probably they spent 12, 13 years, no? Solid
Right.
years.
Uh-huh.
Oo. So,
Yan.
yun.
Kaya ano talagang up to now, we are so close, no? I'm really glad that I was able to be still part of the group, even though I left during my second year in high school. All right, but what was your childhood dream then? Can you remember what you wanted
Ako,
to be, right?
I wanted to be a military man. I wanted to
Wow.
join the armed forces. Talaga, oh. Kasi
Uh-huh.
actually, if you know the story, in high school, di ba we had this Citizens Army Training or
Oo,
CAT.
CAT.
Well, prior to that, we had Boy
Boy
Scouts. No?
Scout. Yeah,
Boy
I
Scouts.
remember you
So
pa
active
that time.
ako.
Yes.
Oo, I was so active hanggang when we had the CAT, I was also still active, no? And in fact, very proud to say that a I was chosen to be a company commander. Wala, maliit lang yung school natin. We
Yeah.
didn't have any battalion. Eh. So company lang yung size nung
Right, right.
CAT. Yun, so I wanted to join the military, but unfortunately, when you were about to graduate, parang ano yun eh, yung after graduation, ano talaga ang gusto ko? So, hindi mo alam, no?
Yep.
So, ako rin, I went through that phase na ano ba kaya kukunin kong course, no? So, and parang siguro nakalimutan ko na yun. So, I said, sige, apply na lang ako for college in UST. And I got accepted. So, yun. So,
Mhm.
I took up BS Economics.
Mhm.
And I forgot about being pursuing my dream. But up to now, no, I'm already a senior citizen. Up to now, from time to time, I'd research on the latest military, halimbawa, airplanes or ships or
Yes.
whatever. So I'll read about them, know about the details, specification, blah blah blah. So, yun.
Right.
Yung war in Ukraine, I've been following up not because of the war, but
Uh-huh.
because of the military stuff that they're being used in
Mhm.
that war.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Minsan naiiba talaga from what we want, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, before we go on with so many questions about being a father, about your dreams and everything, let's play a song first. Mag-break muna tayo para naman
Sure.
meron tayong suspense. All right? So, we'll hear a song by Amy Grant. That's What Love Is For. Only here on Spotlight Radio FM. Okay, so we are back, and this is still your Lady Dawn, and let's have coffee with Lady Dawn, and of course, with my special guest, my good friend Robert Batbu Guerrero. Okay, so we already talked about your childhood days, your dream. All right, let's move forward and talk about love life. Yay! Okay, so
Wow. Favorite
Batbu.
topic ni
Yes,
Don,
favorite
Lady Don.
topic, syempre, di ba? Bago maging father, love life muna. So, how did you get to meet Beng? And yeah, where did you meet her? Kasi we all want to know. Syempre, who's the lucky woman?
My ex-girlfriend.
Yes,
You're
your
referring to my
ex-girlfriend.
ex-girlfriend.
Yes.
Actually, ganyan eh. The story is, Beng also took up college in UST. The
Mm-hmm.
same, the same college, no, commerce. And then, during our time, there's this organization called Junior Achievement of the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
It's a non-profit organization run by big companies, no. For example, Procter and Gamble or wala pang Unilever noon eh, PRC, Philippine Refining Company.
All right.
Colgate. So yan, no? So ano siya? It's basically an organization where students are encouraged to go into business by inviting them into that organization, and then they'll be assigned different groups, no,
All
from
right.
different schools.
Mhm.
And then the objective is for you to put up a business, put up a corporation. So Beng was one of the members of that supposedly company, no? So we had students from St. Paul, we had students from LaSalle, from Ateneo, etc., etc.
Yes.
So we put up a mini company. We were being advised by people from, I remember, they were from Procter and Gamble.
Mhm.
One is from production, one is from marketing.
Mhm.
So, ayun, so I was sort of elected as parang VP production.
Mhm.
So, ang product namin, no, I remember, kasi ano siya eh, malapit na siya mag-Christmas eh. So, yung Christmas ornaments ba? That
Mhm.
mga simple Christmas ornaments. And then the idea is to produce, tapos you sell, etc. No? So, production ako, si Beng was one of the part of that team. Tapos, kailangan may pumunta ng Divisoria.
Mhm.
So, sabi ko, siya na yung pumunta. So,
Oo.
initially, talagang, we're getting into each other's nerves. Kumbaga.
Uh-huh.
Kasi syempre, inuutusan mo siya.
Oo, oo.
Di ba? Yun. So, ganun kami nag-start.
Mhm.
We didn't see eye to eye initially.
Mhm.
Tapos, yun. Sabi ko, okay itong girl na to. Matapang.
Mhm.
So, yun. So, yun, doon na. That's I got to know her better. Kasi, syempre, there were functions, no? Kasi, syempre,
Right.
in a company, you have a Christmas party, yung mga ganon. So, talagang sinistimulate yung isang company.
Mhm.
So, yun, we had sort of Christmas party. So, I got to know her better.
All
Hanggang
right.
sa I asked if, can I visit her at home? Sabi niya,
Yan.
sure. Tapos tawang-tawa siya sa akin nung first time ko mag-visit. Kasi naka-long sleeves pa ako eh.
Parang babarilin ka na, ganon?
Oo. First time eh, no?
Yes.
Naka-long sleeve.
Yes.
Tapos siya ng gate, nakatingin lang siya sa akin.
Mhm.
Pinipigilan lang niya yung tawa niya. Pero ako, syempre, ninenervyos ako no kasi nandun yung parents niya, yung daddy niya.
Uh-huh.
So, alam ko,
Sizing you up siguro, 'di ba?
oo.
Mhm.
Tapos, ang maganda nito, may 3 silang aso.
Mhm. That's funny.
Grabe.
Parang alam ko na kasunod, ah.
Nasa kalye pa lang tumatahol na yung mga aso.
Mhm.
Ano ba
May
naman?
kalaban, may kalaban.
Oo. Takot ka na dun sa magulang, takot ka pa dun sa mga aso.
Yes.
Makakagatin ka eh.
Mhm.
Ayun. So, that's how we started. And alam mo yun, syempre, in a relationship, di ba? You get to be friends.
Right.
You get to know each other better hanggang you develop a certain feeling. Tapos
Yes.
nagiging deep. Yun.
Yes. So how long were you, the courtship and yung before you decided to get married?
Uy,
How long
madali
was
ako
that?
bumigay eh.
Ay, grabe. Umuo
Madali akong
agad.
bumigay. Hindi, joke.
I know.
Hindi.
Ano ka ba? Oh.
Actually, we were girlfriend and boyfriends for about 5 years.
Wow, that's long.
Pero, nung mga second year pa lang or third year, parang pinag-uusapan na namin yung marriage.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Okay. That's
pinag-us-
nice.
in fact, parang, pinag-uusapan na namin yon. And in fact, mga fourth year namin, we were buying stuff already for our, kumbaga, yung
Wow.
being together. Oh,
Mhm,
totoo
mhm.
yun. Ah. So, and tapos nakakatuwa nito kasi whenever there's an occasion, for example, birthday or Christmas, we'll buy something for the house. Pero
Mhm.
hindi pa kami mag-asawa nun, ah.
Mhm.
So, for
Parang
example, we'll
nag-iipon na
buy
kayo.
yes, oo. Pero syempre, there's still a small gift for her, for that particular occasion. Diba, birthday niya. Regalo ko sa kanya stove.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ang
So,
galing.
birthday niya, regalo ko stove. Pero may maliit na token na gift. Parang ganon. So that,
Yes.
when the time comes that we get married and we live together, may mga, there are, how do you call this? There are things that you can use already in that
Mhm.
house.
Mga appliances na, 'di ba?
Hindi naman appliance.
Uh-huh.
Mga
I mean things that you need in the
plates, di
house,
ba?
right?
Mga
Mhm.
basic stuff.
Yes.
Yun.
Wow, that's
Tapos
nice.
we save money already, probably mga 1 year before we got married. Kasi, we stayed in my parents' house, this house.
Mhm.
Kaya lang pinaremodel namin yung second floor.
Mhm.
Kasi, di ba, dalawa lang kami magkapatid. Yung sister ko was in the States. Tapos ang nakatira dito sa bahay, yung parents ko. So, tatlo lang kami basically dito sa bahay.
Mhm.
And the house had 5 rooms.
Right.
No? So in fact yung second floor house, walang nakatira. So pina-remodel namin ng konti para may sala kami. We
Right.
have
Mhm.
room we have kitchen, ganon. Para lang talaga naka-separate kami from my parents.
Yes.
Tapos pati yung electric bill pinabago, pati yung sa
Mhm.
water.
So it's
Kasi yun ang usapan ng father ko eh.
mhm.
Kasi we wanted to move, we wanted to stay in an apartment. Sabi niya, wag na kayong umalis. Kasi matanda na kami. So dito na
Mhm.
lang kayo. Pero sabi niya, nahiwalay tayo lahat. You do
Yes.
your own marketing, everything.
Mhm.
Which was good. Kasi syempre alam mo, pag in-laws yung kasama mo, dahil if you stay in the same house, di ba? There's a
Mhm.
higher probability na magkakagulo kayo. But ito, perfect. Kasi you are in the house but you're separate.
Mhm.
Uh,
Even the expenses, right?
Lahat,
Mm-mm.
lahat.
Mhm.
Oo.
Wow, ang galing. Wow. Look at that. For those who are listening to us, 'di ba? May idea tayo how to go about, married life, sa mga children natin, right? Okay. So, later on when you got married, did you have
Mhm.
kids right away or you waited,
Oh, yes.
you planned it muna?
Hindi, for me, I wanted to have children immediately. Why? Because, when I was growing up, yung parents ko kasi are old eh.
Mhm.
Alam mo yun? Tapos, and remember yung background ko I grew up with my father not being with us. So,
Right.
lang siya, around Christmas lang siya. And
Mhm.
then, when he had the chance of being with us, parang shocking for me kasi, wow,
Mm-mm.
andito na yung tatay ko.
Oo.
Tapos siya rin siguro, andito yung anak kong lalaki. So, medyo awkward ba?
Mhm.
Diba?
Plus the age
So,
gap, I guess, right?
Plus the age gap. So, medyo awkward kasi, di ba, may gap eh.
Mhm.
So, when I got married, we talked about it and we decided na as soon as we can, we'll have children.
Mhm.
So that, the age gap will not be that much. And in fact, ang galing kasi like my son, Michael, alam
Mhm.
mo yun? So, we kumbaga nagbibiruan pa kami,
Right.
'di ba?
Mhm.
Parang nga kami magkapatid eh.
Parang walang generation gap,
Wala,
right?
And
Mhm.
in fact, he can talk to me,
Like a
minsan,
friend.
like a friend when I have to be disciplined.
Mhm. Mhm.
He talks to me.
Baligtad,
Walang
Baligtad na.
baliktad. Or si Sharon minsan pagka Beng and I get into an argument, sabi niya,
Yes.
"Psst, tumigil na kayo." Parang ganun.
Kayo na pinapagalitan, right?
Oo.
Wow. Okay. So, how many kids do you have?
I have 2.
Uh-huh. So
My
the first
eldest
one
is a
is
girl.
mhm.
My eldest is a girl. Her name is Sharon. We call her Ian. She's married already and she has a daughter. Her name
Mhm.
is Sophie.
Ah.
Tapos, I have a son. Yung second child is a son. His name is Michael. He's married to Joyce.
Mhm.
They have a daughter. Their daughter's name is Belle.
Wow.
Mike is in Melbourne. No, he decided to migrate in 2017.
Mhm.
Actually, both of them wanted pala to to move out of the Philippines. So the
Mhm.
choice was either Canada or Australia.
Aha.
Eh, swerte, nauna yung approval nila sa Australia. So they migrated to Australia.
Yes. So now you are a lolo. Lolo
Ah,
Batbo.
yes.
How do they call
Oo.
you? How do the girls call you?
They call me Wowo.
Wowo. How
Pero
cute. Mhm.
my granddaughter with Mike, kasi
Mhm.
nga ano ah
Far.
anong nangyari dito? No, 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 no. She calls sometimes kasi uh, I think ano siya mapil yung bata.
Mhm.
Pilyang bata. So
Right.
linoloko niya ako na daddy.
Ah.
He calls me daddy, daddy.
Okay
Tapos
lang, 'di
ngayon,
ba?
yeah, yeah, yeah. So whenever we get to talk through FaceTime,
Mhm.
linuloko ko siya. Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter?
Mhm.
Or, daddy, daddy, gaganon siya.
Oh, how cute. So, ang ganda,
Maloko
no?
'yun. Pareho
Mhm.
silang maloko. Iba yung pagkaloko ni Belle sa pagkaloko ni Sophie.
Ni Sophie.
Pero
Wow. That's so nice kasi, you get to enjoy. Yun nga ang maganda, no? You're still young and then you get to enjoy your grandchildren. 'Di ba?
yes.
Yun.
And yun yung that's what I really planned.
Uh-huh.
Kasi gusto ko talagang kasi ang hirap pagka matanda ka na. You're
Correct.
so old, tapos meron kang apo na hindi mo naiintindihan kung ano yung gustong gawin ng apo mo. Kasi,
Mhm, mhm.
even yung anak mo, hindi kayo magkaintindihan, di
Right.
ba? Kasi ang layo-layo nung agwat ng edad mo.
Correct.
Di ba?
Mhm. So perfect parang talagang perfect yung hindi masyado yung malayo yung gap, right?
Yes,
Tama,
oo.
tama. It
Kasi
was yeah.
di ba?
Oo.
Alam ba, yung basketball, yung mga sports, no, pwede pa kayong maglaro. Eh kung
Yes.
malayo na yung edad mo,
Mhm. So that's nice, right? Okay, before we continue, okay, gumaganda na yung usapan natin. Ako, talking about grandchildren already, okay? So we'll listen
mhm,
let's take a break and we'll listen to two songs first. Siguro mga panahon
mhm,
natin to, no? This is from Barbara Streisand, I Finally Found Someone, and that's Bang. And Billy
mhm.
Joel's She's Always a Woman, only here on Spotlight Radio FM. Okay, and I'm back. This is Lady Dawn, of course, of Let's Have Coffee with Lady Dawn. Check your timepieces. It's 42 minutes after the hour of 5. And we are still with our very special guest, my friend, my batchmate from Victoria School Foundation. O, ayan, lumabas na ang name natin. Our school is Victoria School Foundation. It's just a small school, but we are very grateful for what we have, dyan tayo nagkaroon ng roots, right? Okay, roots, ugat talaga,
Yes.
ugat.
Oo.
Anyway,
Mm.
let's continue with what we were talking about. So you have two kids. So that's
Yep.
Ian or Sharon and Michael or Miko. Okay, so
Yes.
of course, what were their age gap? What was their age gap?
Actually, parang 1 year lang eh.
Uh-huh.
Kasi
Okay.
Sharon was born May in 1986, tapos si Mike is November
Oh,
87.
all right.
Uh,
So
a little
halos
more than
magkasunod.
a year.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what were the differences in raising Ayan and Miko? Is it harder for a daughter? Kasi, syempre, di ba? Girl, tapos
Mhm.
boy, tapos almost the same age. How was it?
Ah, alam mo kasi dito no, I think I'm very fortunate because Beng is very hands-on. Even if she was working at that time, she was very hands-on in raising the kids.
Mm-hmm.
No? Kasi we were both working eh.
All
She was
right.
working with a bank, tapos I was working with a cleaning company. So despite that, talagang ako nga yung hindi hands-on eh.
Mm-hmm.
Ako lang yung nagsasabi ng rules eh. Dapat ganito, dapat ganon.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a little bit tougher with Mike because my thinking is si Mike kasi eventually when he grows up, he'll have his own family. And he has to be how do you call this? prepared.
Yes, and
So sa
strong.
school,
Mhm.
especially when it comes to to school, no? Talagang ano 'yan, talagang hindi naman binabatter ko, but I just remind him, constantly remind him. Si
Mhm.
Sharon walang problema sa school.
Mhm.
Kasi talagang 'pag nag-aral 'yan, hindi mo siya puwedeng kausapin.
Mhm.
Walang kumakausap sa kanya,
All right.
'no? So talagang ano
Studious.
siya when
She was studious.
oo, when she studies talagang ano 'yan, may sarili na siyang mundo. Kahit kausapin mo hindi ka papansinin.
Mhm.
Si Mike siyempre being a boy, medyo mahirap siya mag-aral. So
Right.
but constant yung reminder sa kanya when he was still boy. Pero ang maganda memory ni Mike. There
Mhm.
was a time na Sharon was preparing for a recitation of a poem, and Mike was about 2 years old. She was just listening,
Mhm.
or about four pala, sorry. So si Sharon was about 5 and a half, si Mike is 4. So he was just listening. But the next few days, si Mike lang nagre-recite ng poem.
Oh, ang
O
galing.
nakikinig lang siya.
Uh-huh.
Oo. So yun. So yun nga. So I'm a little bit more strict with Michael
Ah.
kasi
Mhm.
when he grows up, he will be raising his own family. Si Sharon, iba naman kasi he'll be, she will have a husband. So I expect
Mhm.
the husband to, take care of her.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
So,
Diba?
lumabas, you were the disciplinarian, not Beng.
Yes. Oo.
Mhm. Okay. When it comes to
Pero
teen.
ano
Uh-huh.
pero when because I went abroad when I was when the kids were si Sharon was I think second year high school.
Yes.
Tapos si Mike was parang entering first year high school. So I went abroad. So talaga namang naiwan kay Beng yung yung pagpapalaki ng mga bata. And I'm
Mhm.
very thankful kasi talagang she, raised them very, very, very well.
Yes.
Mahirap nun, I
Uh-huh.
mean, they are in their teens,
Mhm.
'di ba?
Mhm.
Siyempre yun yung age na nagpa-party,
Yes.
alam mo yun? So,
Nanliligaw na, may boys na
oo,
around, right?
may boys around, 'no? Pero yun, hindi naman nahirapan masyado si Beng.
Mhm.
Yun. Pero siyempre ano yan, you have to pray for it, 'no?
Yes.
Hindi naman lahat matidikta mo eh. So
Right.
you just really have to pray for it na they'll grow up right.
Uh-huh. And
And
then
ngayon eto na.
yes.
Mm.
But wait a minute. So you did not get into, handling them, there's like having teenage problems because you were not around.
I wasn't around and wala rin naman masyado na teenage problem sila Sharon tsaka si
Mhm.
Mike.
That's good. Uh-huh.
Oo, kasi yun, I think yung foundations as kids, no?
Yes.
As kids were very good.
Mhm.
Hence, when they grew up to be teenagers, medyo mas madali na i-control.
Yes.
No?
Ang galing.
So, that's the secret talaga eh.
Oo.
Tsaka nung mga bata sila talagang we'd go out yung bonding namin as a family, we'd
Mhm.
go out every weekends, alam mo yun,
Yes. You
either
really
out of
find
town or
time.
sa mall. Oo, kailangan eh. Talagang ang weekend talaga nun, whether I'm busy or not, talagang weekend is you go to church, after church, you have a nice meal, and then
Mhm.
go to the mall or go out of town. Basta
Yes.
magkasama kami lagi.
That's more important, no? Tsaka talagang I
Pero syempre,
guess, yes.
mm,
Yeah, continue.
pero syempre, they'll be exposed to things that, will, kumbaga, will sway them a little bit. Like si Mike, he drinks, no? Ang
Mhm.
maganda naman kay Mike, uh, he tried drinking, pero alam niya yung limit niya.
Mhm.
Nakatuwa nga si Mike kasi, when he was in college,
Mhm.
yung mga friends niya, sorry, yung mga friends niya, they put up a mobile bar business. Imagine of all businesses, mobile bar.
Yes.
So, grupo sila of I think about 10 or probably more. And then, they'll have that mobile bar rented, tapos sila yung magtitimpla ng mga drinks, ano. Sabi ko,
Wow. Mhm.
okay ba yan? Sabi ko,
Galing, no?
do you make money? Sabi niya, actually hindi eh. Pero kasi we enjoy the doing this kasi we meet a lot of people, we
Mhm.
make friends, ganyan,
Right.
ganyan. So, happy siya. Sabi ko,
Mm.
okay, if you're happy, then good.
Mhm. Okay, ang
Sorry.
galing, 'di ba?
Mm.
So, actually pagka talagang the parents are hands-on, not much of a problem. Tama ka, you have to pray for the children then kasi 'di ba? We don't know yung environment, their peers also, right? Okay.
Actually, Lady
Mm.
Dawn, actually, it's not really too much hands-on.
Mhm.
You have to give them a little bit of, actually, you have to give them slack kasi they have to make mistakes in life at a
Oh,
younger age.
yes.
Kasi without those mistakes, they will not learn.
Correct.
Diba?
Oh,
So, you
yes.
have to let them explore life a little bit. Pero you're just on the wings, watching
Mhm.
over na if it seems na talagang medyo magkakamali sila, then pasok ka na sa parent.
Oo. Nakaano ka lang on the side, right?
Yes.
Mhm, mhm. Wow, ang galing. And tsaka ang ganda nga kasi the way you brought them up and at the same time hindi masyadong malayo yung age gap of the two. So that
Yes.
they're yung parang yung generation nila talagang the same, 'di ba? Parang yung siguro yung mga gusto nila more or less the same. Of course, they have different sets of friends. Correct?
Yes.
Diba?
Oo.
Mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay. So, were you a very strict father? Being a disciplinarian?
Pagdating sa education, I think
Mhm.
I'm very strict.
Yes.
Kasi in fact, there was a time si Michael when he was studying in LaSalle, talagang
Mhm.
hirap na siya dun sa kanyang course kasi dual course yung kinuha niya, computer engineering, and he was already on his last year
Mhm.
and he was going to give up.
Right.
Tapos sabi nung wife ko, sabi ni Beng sa kanya, nung mama niya, sabi niya, Mike, please ituloy mo na yan kasi tandaan mo yung sinabi ng papa mo. Pag hindi mo tinuloy yan, that's it. Hindi ka na niya paaaralin.
Oo.
So actually, nagbibiro lang naman ako eh.
Mhm.
So
Pero
takot na
talaga
takot
natakot
sila.
siya. Natakot siya.
Silang dalawa. Silang
Aha.
dalawa. Takot na takot sila kasi akala nila hindi ko na pag-aaralin yung anak ko. Pero, di ba?
Yes.
Siyempre, pag-aaralin ko pa rin siya kasi,
Aha.
I want him to have a very good future. But
Yes.
talagang sinaga niya.
Aha.
Sinaga niya. Tapos, alam mo yun, in
Mhm.
fact, may mga, they had, how do you call this? May mga projects sila that they had to do it in the house. No?
Mhm.
Mga tatlong classmates na nandito.
Mhm.
So,
Sleepover.
we'd prepare food for them. Talagang
Yes.
walang tayuan dun sa mesa eh.
Mhm. Mhm. Ang galing,
Yan, awan
'di
ng
ba?
Diyos, they were, natapos.
Right. Wow. Okay, we'll continue later with our chikahan, with our kwentuhan, but let's have a song first from Calum Scott with You Are the Reason, only here on Spotlight Radio FM. Okay, and we are back, and this is still your Lady Dawn. Check your timepieces. It's 56 minutes after the hour of 5. We are still with our dear Robert Guerrero, my classmate. Okay, let's go on with storytelling. Now, you mentioned a while ago that you worked abroad. When was this,
Yeah.
and what were the ages of the two when you decided to leave?
Sharon was second year high school, I think. And then si Mike ata incoming high
Yeah.
school. So,
Mhm.
perhaps around 14, tama ba? If I'm correct.
Yes.
Around that age probably.
Uh-huh.
And then,
So,
hindi naman, siguro earlier pa. Mga
mhm.
13.
So was it hard? Kasi you couldn't bring the whole family, right?
Yes.
Oo. Parang hard yun
Funny,
for
it's a
everyone.
funny story.
Mhm.
It's a funny story because actually the reason I went abroad is because the company that I was working for
Mhm.
was bought by another company.
Mhm.
No? So it was a division of Unilever. Eh.
All
So
right.
that division was bought by another company. So yung distributor ko in Guam found out about it, and syempre si Unilever, when they offer you an early retirement, medyo generous yan, no? So I was thinking at that time, when I get this early retirement package, I'd probably rest for a year. So ko lang magpahinga,
Mm-hmm.
no? Kasi ano na, I mean, you've been working very hard for this. At that time, I was working with them for probably 14, 15 years.
Mm-hmm.
15 years, no? So sabi ko, uy, malaki-laki to ah.
Yes.
Sabi ko, pwede na ako mag-retire muna for a year.
Mm-hmm.
Just bum around. So tinawagan ako nung may-ari nung distributing company sa Guam, no?
Mm-hmm.
Sabi niya, so Robert, what are you planning to do? Sabi ko, I'm just planning to bum around. Sabi, what? Sabi niya, why don't you come over to Guam? Visit us, before you really decide, and then we'll talk things over. So sabi ko, uy, parang
Mm-hmm.
may offer to ah. So I
Oo.
went there. Sabi ko, so yung GM nila na Amerikano sa Saipan, I knew how much he was making. And he
Mhm.
was, Amerikano to, so malaki yung offer sa kanila.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, pag ito, ino-offeran ako na just 1 cent above what this guy is making,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna
Grab it.
accept it. Pero kung 1 cent below, I'm gonna turn it down.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So I went to plus $500 on my first
Wow.
contract. Sabi ko, okay to ah.
Oo.
Sabi pag uwi ko ng Maynila, sabi ko, paano gagawin ko? Di, kunin mo. Ganyan.
Mhm.
So, bago ako umalis, lakas ng loob ko eh. Sabi ko, wag kayong malulungkot ha. This was the day that I was going to the airport and
Uh-huh.
fly to Guam. Sabi ko,
Mm.
wag kayong malulungkot, ganon.
Mhm.
Pagdating ko ng Guam, umiiyak ako. Tawag ko sa uwi na ako. Ayoko na dito. Tawa siya ng tawa. Ano ka ba?
Mm-mm.
First night mo palang uuwi ka na.
Oo, suddenly you miss the whole family. Grabe.
Ang dali lang. Iba talaga pagka, you're away. And you know that you're not coming back for a long time.
Oo.
Iba.
Oo. Iba ang dating
Iba.
sa'yo.
Kaya and that was Guam, that was Guam and Saipan when, you can call the house every so often, di ba? I can just imagine people who work in Saudi Arabia or Middle East.
Mhm.
Di ba? Ang stricto ng rules.
Right. So how long did you work there? Far away from the family.
Actually, I stayed in Guam and Saipan for about 6 years.
Wow.
After
Okay.
that, I went to Thailand and
Mhm.
Indonesia and Manila for a while and then back.
Mhm.
Siguro yung total niya, mga roughly 2002 hanggang 2017, mga
Mhm.
15 years. Pero
Okay.
putol-putol eh.
Oo.
Putol-putol siya eh.
At least na sila, 'di ba? Grown up na, right?
Oo. And
But
were
were you
sa'yo,
Yes. Were
Beng
you
was very good, I mean, in taking care
Yes,
of them.
that's
Making
why.
sure.
Everything was fine. And then
Uh,
when was that time when, Ayan already told you that she wanted to get married? Were you here that time or you were
eh.
away?
No, I was, actually, yung kwento niyan, yung husband niya ngayon, actually, I think I came for a visit in 2010, parang around that time, no?
Mm-mm.
So I had a long vacation, tapos the family was planning to go out of town, no, to the beach.
Mm.
Tapos, so, sabi ko, bakit merong ibang lalaki dito sa sasakyan namin? At sabi niya, Papa, friend ko.
Kinabahan ka na.
Okay. Hindi naman.
Uh-huh.
Parang, yun. Tapos, so kasama namin doon sa beach. So, natulog siya. Doon siya,
Uh-huh.
I mean, he joined us in the cottage.
Yeah.
Tapos yung pala, boyfriend na niya.
Naku, hindi mo naman na-smell na boyfriend na niya.
Then,
Ano ka ba?
nagsabi
Uh-huh.
naman siya.
Okay.
Yun. So,
Okay.
tapos, yun. So, 2010, tapos, Every time there's a family gathering, he was present.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, yun, then I 'di ba, I was posted in Myanmar for a
Mm-mm,
while.
mm-mm.
Tapos, from Myanmar, I was supposed to move to Thailand again with
Mhm.
another company.
Mm-mm.
So during that break, hindi, a year pala before that, I came to Manila. You know, the usual Christmas break.
Mm.
Tapos, ano, so kami ni Beng, nag-uusap kami. Sabi, kailan kaya ikakasal itong mga to? Matatanda na ng mga to eh. Sabi,
Mhm, mhm.
kaming dalawa, no? Matatanda
Kayo
na
na
mga to eh.
nag-iisip. Yes.
Oo, sabi. So minsan binibiro-biro namin sila, no? Si Mike tsaka si Sharon,
Mhm.
binibiro namin. Ano ba? Kailan ba? Ganyan. Basta, gano'n. Tapos one Christmas break that I came home, we all went out. Ano kami? We were 3 couples. Kami ni Beng, si Sharon tsaka si Nelson, tapos si Mike tsaka si Joyce. So
Mm.
lumabas kaming lahat.
Mhm.
We had, we had dinner, tapos we had coffee, tapos nung
Mm.
nagko-coffee na kami sa Starbucks, yun na.
Mhm.
Nagsabi na si Sharon. Tapos sabi ni Mike, teka, kami rin may plano.
Oo.
So, dalawa sila nagpaalam sabay.
Wow!
So, doon na
Talaga?
namin
So what were your reactions kay ni Beng?
kami.
Oo.
Nagulat. Natuwa kami. Ay,
Gulat,
salamat.
natuwa.
Wala na sila sa bahay.
Oo.
Hindi, joke.
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin,
Siyempre,
yung gulat na tuwa.
Oo.
Mhm.
Yan.
Ang
May
ganda.
correction daw, sabi ni Beng. Nauna daw si Mike nagsabi.
Oh, okay.
Nagsabi pala tama.
Okay.
Tapos,
Pero not too far from each other na yung
Oo.
pagsabi. That's why. So nice.
Kaya
So,
Sharon got married in December of 2016.
mm. And
And
then,
then si Mike got married January of 2017.
1 month apart?
Oh.
Wow.
Hindi pwede kasi in the same year, di ba?
Naku, ano ba yan? Mga talaga pamahiin.
Oo. Kaya nga umuwi ako ng December, umuwi ako uli ng January.
Ng January. Ang galing, di ba?
Kaya ang saya di ba?
Oo,
Yung sister ko nun was here for 2 months.
Aha. Ang saya-saya
Kasi
naman.
inaabangan niya. Yeah.
Right. Talang,
Gusto ko na
parang weeks lang? Or exactly a month apart?
More than a month. Siguro a month.
Ang
A month and
galing.
a few days.
Uh-huh.
Kaya ang gulo dito sa bahay nung kasi kakasal si Sharon, tapos maya kakasal naman si Mike.
Oo. Pero ang
Yeah.
saya. That's a very nice, 'di ba? Very nice experience na siguro
Yeah.
ang very rare, I guess, right? It's very rare. Tapos December and then January. Wow. Hindi ba nakakapagod?
Hindi naman kasi hindi ikaw yung kakasal.
Yes.
Attend
Sila na
ka
yung
lang.
na
Attend ka lang
Aha. Wow.
But alam mo yun, tapos so I was just happy to be here and witness the wedding of my children. Tapos alam mo
Yes.
yun, pag nandun na, umiyak ako. I
Yes.
cried.
Oh, really?
Sabi ni Beng sa akin, ano ka ba? Nagmamarcha pa lang tayo, umiiyak ka na.
Nauna ka pa kay Beng? Umiyak?
Oo.
Talaga?
Oo,
Wow.
grabe yun.
Mm-mm.
So,
For
kasi
both of
syempre,
them or kay lang? Or kay Ayan lang?
both of them.
Wow.
Pero kasi alam mo yun, while I was
Marching.
how do you call it, marching, parang nag-cross lahat sa mind ko. My daughter,
Yes.
when she was still a baby. Alam mo si Sharon, kinarga ko yan eh. I mean, when parang patulugin yan. Talagang
Mhm.
grabe yung lakad na ginagawa ko dito sa bahay. Lahat
Right.
ng sulok ng bahay namin.
Oo.
Nakaheli siya sa akin, para makatulog lang siya. Tapos alam mo
Oo.
yun, nagkakaroon ng flashback eh.
Alright.
That you think about your daughter as a baby. Nung
Ay,
maliit
totoo
siya.
pala yun, no?
Oo. Grabe.
Oo. Grabe
Ayun,
experience.
kaya
Tapos,
talagang,
yes. Hindi, tsaka magkasunod kasi. Parang you are so overwhelmed. Tama ba?
tapos ano rin, yung basta halong saya. Actually, hindi na siya malungkot, tears of joy yun.
Right.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Tears of
Uh,
joy. And then flashback of what's happening, right?
Oo.
Yung mga nangyari when they were growing up. Ang saya naman. All right. So we will continue with the kwentuhan. We'll still have more. And so we will have, syempre, bagay na bagay ito. We will have a song by Luther Vandross. Alam mo to, I guess. Dance with My
Yun.
Father. Only here on
Ayun,
Yes,
sakto.
only here on Spotlight Radio FM. And we are back, and this is still your Lady Dawn. With me is our very special guest, Robert Guerrero. Okay, so again, maligayang araw ng kasarinlan, right? And again, to the late tuners, happy Father's Day. We have an advanced special Father's Day celebration. Okay? So, gusto ko munang greet some of our listeners, I guess. Okay?
Alright.
I'd like to greet some of our listeners. We'd like to greet our man from Binondo. Of course, Jovis Vistan, hello. Thanks for listening. My team Bukas, Odes Lalin, and Miles Galos, and June Evidente, Cora Cedo, my PG family. We have Connie Divina, Tessie Divina, and Paps Nadales, and Eric Ruiz. Hello to all of you, and thank you for tuning in. Then we have the Limin family, Agnes, Jojo, Jam, Jerica. Okay? And wow, I'd like to greet our very good classmate, my very, very good sister. Sister talaga, di ba? From Sorso, Italy, Pia Pasqua, Strong Pasqua. Okay. So Pia, thank you for tuning in. We are very glad that you're here. I know it's you. And then also my classmate in high school, Meg Barbosa Lasangre. Hello. And Paring Nonong, hello. Thank you for tuning in. My pamangkins are here also. Lucian Ibuyan, Bernadette Batle. Hello to all of you. And yes, my friends Carissa Garcia and Verna Manaig. Hello also. And then later on, we will still be greeting some of our friends. Sana paramdam kayo. So we know that you're there, especially from the BSF Batch 78 and the Victoria School Foundation. Ano ba to? Mga alumni, right? Okay. Kasi sabi ni Richie Lizaso, you remember Richie? So
Yeah.
he will listen, and Pichi
Okay.
Millares. Okay, so I hope you're there. I
PG.
don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oo.
hindi sila kasi nagpaparamdam sa Messenger, but I know
Huwag ka
they're
na
listening.
masyado mag-request ng paramdam, baka magparamdam si Hans. Hi,
Oo
Hans.
nga. Hi, Hans and Tom.
Oo.
Okay. Teka, baka
Oo.
matakot naman yung ating mga listeners. Okay. We have, from our
Yeah.
batch who went on ahead of us. So we always remember them fondly. No? We love those two.
Yeah.
Uy, si Lee pa. Nakalimutan natin. Si
Si
Lee.
Lee.
Oh my
Oo.
God. Tatlo na. All right. So anyway, let's continue with what we were talking about a while ago. So, you have two granddaughters. What are the
Yep.
ages? And how are you as a grandfather? Do you spoil them?
Ah, I think it's more of Ben who spoils them.
Uh-huh.
Kasi, well, okay, so the elder one is Isabel. She's almost, teka, wait parang nakakalimutan ko eh. Ano na siya? She's more than 4 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Parang mga
Okay.
4 and, ano na siya? 4 and a half.
Yeah.
And then the younger one is Sophie. She's turning 4 in November.
Mm-hmm.
Sophie is here in Manila while Belle is in Australia, in Melbourne. So ako naman as a grandfather, ano lang, okay lang. I mean, I think hindi ako masyadong nagsispoil. Si Ben ang nagsispoil sa kanila. So every time we go out, she
Yes.
has to pass by Toy Kingdom or
Mhm.
the supermarket or anything and buy something for them. Talagang ano yun, routine yun. Suki na kami sa Uniqlo. So,
Yes.
pagka may
All her
Uniqlo,
clothes.
kailangan
Oo.
merong damit na may uwi siya, pasalubong.
Mhm.
Ano nga ako eh, I am a disciplinarian. So minsan, si Sophie, nagtatantrum yung bata. Sabi ko,
Mhm.
kailangan kausapin yan. Baliktad
Mm.
naman sila. Ay, hindi mo kailangan kausapin yan. Okay, fine.
Mhm. Mhm.
Uh, Yan ang masarap pag grandparents ka, eh,
Mhm.
'di ba? Yung disiplina hindi mo na responsibility.
Yes, it's supposed to be the parents
Responsibility na
na.
ng mga parents, eh. So bahala
Uh-huh.
na sila.
Right. Kasi sabi ng iba, nagkakaroon ng
Mhm.
confusion sometimes because the parents, if they discipline their children, tapos the grandparents naman will spoil them. So parang nagugulo yung bata. In the end, takbo sa lolo or lola, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So hindi
Yeah.
ganon. Hindi ganon yung in your case, right?
Pero
Mm.
hindi naman siya hindi siya yung in terms of halimbawa nagta-tantrum yung bata
Mhm.
tapos kakampihan mo, hindi. Binabayaan lang namin. We let the parents take care of that. Oo.
Mhm. All right. But now that both Ayan and Miko, sorry, are settled
Yeah.
already, is there still anything you want to accomplish at this point? Kasi you're already a self-made man, matagal na, 'di ba? But do you still want something, right? Yung parang dream mo of accomplishing something.
Um, Siguro more of helping, you know, for example, the organization that I am involved now,
Mhm.
or the little uh, work that I do,
Mhm.
siguro helping out, you know.
Right.
Kasi syempre, I believe I have the experience, no?
Right.
Because of my work, exposure, etc., etc. So
Mhm.
I'd like to share this with the people that I work with or I deal with, no?
Mhm.
So yun, I was mentioning to Master Wheels earlier, this organization called BNI, no?
Right.
So it's an
Can you tell us
organization
what
of
is BNI?
BNI is it stands for Business Networking International. It's an international organization.
All right.
Now, there are communities here in the Philippines. It is composed of business owners from
Mhm.
small and medium scale entrepreneurs. No, so the whole idea is to help them increase their business
Mhm.
through
Mm.
referrals. No, for
Ah.
example, and we come from different industries. No,
All
right
right.
now the industry or the company that I represent in this community is about solar energy.
Yes.
Tapos there are others who do general construction or architectural design or digital marketing or
Mhm.
COVID testing. Dami, very
Right.
different. And
Okay.
we are a group by communities. So
Mhm.
we talk to each other and find out, how can I help you promote your business, or
Yes.
how can I help you, like for example, manage your business better? O ano ba yung mga secrets? Ano ba yung mga tips?
Mhm. Mhm.
So I really find enjoyment doing this kasi, it's like get first is getting to know other people, no? So
Mhm.
hindi ka lang confined dun sa industry mo, but a lot of industries. And you
Yes.
discover a lot of things also, no? Tapos, yun nga, being able to help them get connected with other businessmen also who might need their service or their
Yes.
product, di
Mhm.
ba? So
All
parang
right.
ganun. So yun yung
That's good.
that's what's keeping me busy, and siguro yun yung goal ko now,
Mhm.
di ba?
Yes.
Yun.
So at least something to look forward to pa din. Dami pa
Oo,
tayong years.
you have to keep. Then, alam mo, Lady Dawn, no? When
Yes.
you reach the age of 60,
Mhm.
syempre you're not as active or as agile as you were when you were at 40 or
Mhm.
30. But still you have to maintain that you have to exercise your brain, you have to exercise your communication, you
Mhm.
have to move, you have to ano. Kasi it ano eh, it kumbaga paano ba to? It makes your life more interesting,
Yes.
'di ba?
Mhm.
'Di
Right.
ba?
Kaya ano, parang
Siyempre,
yes.
oh,
Yeah.
siyempre, siguro at 65 medyo bawas ka ng konti kasi
Mhm.
you have to relax more a bit, more
Yes.
naman, and then
Mhm.
basta you
Right.
have to still do the things that you were doing before.
Right. We
Hindi
still have to
pwedeng mag-stop eh.
yes, we still have to enjoy life. Huh?
Mm.
'Di ba? Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll continue later, but for now, let's listen to one music by the Chicago. Alam mo to, 'di ba? Panahon
No.
natin, You're My Inspiration. Sino yung inspiration na yan? Of course, it's the family. Only here on
Yeah.
Spotlight Radio FM. Journey to New Beginnings. Okay, I'm still here. This is your Lady Dawn, and let's have coffee with Lady Dawn. This is our second edition and a very special one because we are celebrating Father's Day a week before, right? Kasi ano yan eh, maraming magde-date on the Father's Day which is on June 19th. And ayan, araw ng ating kalayaan. Sana naman mahalin natin ang ating bayan. All right? Okay.
Mhm.
So, at this point, I'd like to read something, no? A message. There's this one neighbor of mine na who knew that I was doing a radio program for Father's Day today. And then he's 10 years old and then he wanted to give a message to his dad. His dad is the head of the religious how do you call it? Religious department of San Beda Alabang. All right. So here's the letter from Theodore Jared Diaz. To be I will read this for Daddy J Diaz. Okay, Daddy Jade, Mommy and I love you so much. Thank you for being my dad, for loving us and taking care of us. You are working hard for our family. You are the best daddy in the whole world and you are my idol. I love you so much. And I'm so proud that you are my daddy, my loving, sweet, kind daddy. In between, may mga hearts pa to and kisses, ha? Also, thank you for helping me in my studies. Again, I love you so much and please take care always. We love you and care for you always. Kiss, 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 hug, 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 heart, heart, heart. Love, Jared Diaz. Wow, that's so sweet, Jared. I'm
Wow.
sure that when Daddy Jade listens to this, he would be
Mhm.
very, very happy, right? And he will buy you a lot of McDonald's and pizza, Angel's Pizza.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, let's continue with what we were talking about. There's a phone in question. No, there's a
Okay.
message actually that was sent to
Uh-huh.
us. Is there
Mhm.
Yes, Mr. Robert, it says, is there a formula for
Yeah.
being a good and ideal father?
That's a very difficult question to answer.
Yes.
And probably the way that I'm gonna answer it is something like this, no? Um, ano eh, for me, no?
Yes.
Siguro, uh, yung being a dad or being a father or being a mother or being a parent, it actually starts when you were small. Yung bata ka pa.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi lahat ng everything that you're doing as a parent or as a father or a mother, ano yan eh, there's a basis when you were still a young child, no? Yung
Mm-hmm.
nakikita mo sa parent mo, di ba? Like
Mm-hmm.
me, yung dad ko palaging wala. So sabi ko, ayoko nung ganung buhay as a parent. Gusto ko, nandun ako. But
Mm-hmm.
unfortunately, I had to go overseas, no? Pero ang maganda lang doon, when I went overseas, medyo
Mm-hmm.
malaki na yung mga anak ko. So
Yes.
at least na-form na yung basic personalities nila, no? Or,
Mm-hmm.
character. Tapos, yun, the second one is, uh, if possible, not to have a generation gap. Kasi you have to communicate with your children. You have to
Mhm.
talk at their, kumbaga yung level nila.
Level.
For
Right.
you to understand what they're going through in life. Otherwise, di ba, puro ano yan, you just impose all the things that you want them to do.
Right.
And not really understanding why they're doing what they're doing.
Mhm.
Di ba? So, yun. Lahat yun, ano nakita ko yan when I was still a little boy. Tapos, yun, siguro, let them make mistakes in life. Wag lang yung grabe,
Right.
Small mistakes lang, and then, they can learn from it. And then, yun. So that, kasi even naman tayo, when we make a mistake, we learn
Yes.
Di ba?
Right.
Sinasabihan tayo ng magulang natin, wag mong gagawin yan. Pero ginagawa mo pa rin kasi nung ginawa mo at nasaktan ka, doon ka lalong natuto. Same
Mhm.
with children. No?
Right.
Pagka ginawa nila at natuto sila, doon sila nagtatanda. And let them make their own decisions.
Mhm.
Para when they realize that it's wrong, then, di ba, mas magsisink in sa kanila.
Right.
Tapos, very important is not only the father in the family, but also the other half, the mother.
Mhm.
Kasi it takes two to tango, di ba?
You're
There's a
right.
saying, it takes two to
Mhm.
tango.
Tango
So,
talaga, hindi pwedeng swing. Time natin.
the expression yun
Oo,
Pero
expression, I
let me
know.
add
I'm just
this.
joking.
Di ba?
Mhm.
Pero syempre, not all the time there is a partner in life, di ba?
Correct.
So, minsan mag-isa ka lang, and for those people na they raise their children by themselves, saludo ako. Because you're
Mhm.
doing two roles
Two roles
at
at
the
a
same
time.
time. No?
Yes.
Talagang iba. Iba.
Mhm. Right.
So yun. But if you have a partner, then it takes two really to raise a child.
Yes.
Give and take. No? For example, yung case namin ni Beng, when I went abroad, then, she
Mhm.
had to be the mom and the dad physically, no? Kasi wala
Mhm.
nga ako. And then, at times, we'd call each other, kumusta na yung mga bata, ganyan.
Mhm.
And we'd talk about them. Tapos, communication also with the children.
Yes.
Diba?
Wow.
Ayun.
Okay.
It's sad because nowadays, di ba, yung mga bata, parang uh, what I see, sige, mag-watch ka lang ng YouTube para
Yes.
hindi ka istorbo sa amin.
Correct.
It's wrong.
Mhm.
Di ba? That's wrong. Kailangan makausap mo yung anak mo o yung bata or, kasi kailangan niya ng interaction.
Mhm. You have to really sit down and talk, have quality time. Correct?
Oo, quality time. Kasi doon nabubuo yung character ng bata, yung personality.
Mhm.
And remember, ito pa, ang masakit doon, when that's gone forever. You cannot
You're
go back to
right.
it anymore.
Mhm.
So if you have that opportunity now, go for it.
Galing.
Go for
Very
it kasi
good.
hindi na babalik yan. Siguro kaya ako umiiyak nung kasal ni Sharon sa ni Mike kasi siguro nagigilty rin ako that there were times in their life that I was supposed to be there but I couldn't be because I was away from them.
Yes.
Kaya siguro ako nalulungkot. Parang may nawalang kasi
Parang
iisip
kulang.
ko di ba?
Yes.
Parang may nag-fast forward dito Siguro 'yun.
Right. Mhm. Wow. So,
Yun.
wow, grabe. We learned a lot from you, ha? Grabe to, Robert. Batbu, ano ba yan? Okay, so, but before we continue and before, we take a break, I'd like to, I don't know who's from Houston, Texas. We have two. And then, Glendalo, Australia. Did I pronounce that right? Okay, sino bang classmate natin nandun? Australia, who's there? Batbu.
Lisa is in Sydney.
Right. It says Glendalough, Australia. It could be Lisa Pedrosa, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Lisa,
Yes.
if that's
Sydney, I
you,
don't know.
hello. Lisa Pedrosa. Right. So, and then two from Houston, Texas. And of course, again from Sorso, Italy, Pia Strong Pasqua. Wow. We love you and we miss you. Come home na. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal. Let's have the reunion. All right? Okay. So we will
Oo, physical
continue.
reunion na.
Yes, we will continue later. Okay? But we will take a break with this song by the Eagles. Oh, panahon ulit natin. Love will keep us alive. Only here on Spotlight Radio FM. The journey to new beginnings. All right, so we are back, and this is still your Lady Dawn. Check your timepieces. It's 41 minutes after the hour of 6. We still have, more listeners na medyo na late because it's a Sunday. Some of them went to church. I would this is really a great program, and we will try to find a way. We will have a replay of this. Yay! We will make a replay of this. We will announce very soon. All right. So, but at this point, I would just like to ask you, Batbu, that after besides being with BNI, your business networking international, what else do you have? I mean, what else are you busy with?
Oh, I'm busy with washing our clothes, cleaning the house. The
Yes,
morning.
I know that. We all know that. Oh.
Sure. No, I'm involved with a company called Solar Corporation. It is a solar energy company. So I represent the company as a client relations manager. So we do installation of solar panels, inverters, etc., etc. And it's very very it's very timely because, as you know, the price of oil goes up every day or every week, no? And of course, pati yung energy, yung electricity goes up. So if you are looking for a solar energy system to cut down on your electrical bills, depends really on how you use your electricity. If you use it more during the daytime than nighttime, then this is for you. Especially yung mga those who have warehouses or offices. Kasi offices, ano yan, di ba? People are in the office during the day, and at
Right.
nighttime, walang
Mm-hmm.
tao. Di ba? So, aircon, yun. I had one installed here in the house. So, the electric bill namin went down by probably mga 60%.
Mm-hmm. Wow,
So it's
that's
a little
great.
bit, I will admit it's a little bit pricey, but when you calculate yung payback, kasi ano yan
Right.
eh,
Mm-hmm.
ROI yan. The first thing that you calculate is ROI. ROI probably is about 6 years. But
Mm-hmm.
consider that the panels, the inverters, can last you 20 to 25 years. So yung balance nun, ano na yun? Kumbaga income mo na yun, kita mo na yun.
Mm-hmm.
Yun.
Yan.
So that's why we definitely it's not naman very expensive, no? But it's pricey, but long term talagang kikita ka.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then I also do high-end residential construction with the son of our dear classmate architect Mike, no?
Yes.
I'm with iSpan, yeah. So we do
Mm-hmm.
high-end construction of residences. So ito talaga yung forte ni ni IM Pen niya eh.
Yes.
High-end residential. So the design is being done, some of it, no, by architect Paul, another son of architect Mike.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos yung group namin ni Ice yung nagtatayo, we build. So ano kami, design and build and
Yes.
commissioning. So
Great.
those are the two things that keeps me busy.
Wow. Talagang all out pa rin. Wow, why we're still
Hindi
strong,
naman,
'di ba?
hindi naman. Kasi actually, ano siya eh, what I do for both companies, if there are inquiries, that's the only time that I get busy. And
Ah,
nowadays, you don't really need to be physically with the
present.
client, di ba?
Yes, yes, yes.
You can communicate through like this, no?
Mm-hmm.
Google Meet or Zoom or Facebook or
Yes.
whatever.
Right.
Yeah, so very, very rare lang talaga na I have to go out.
To sit down and with these clients.
Usually,
Mm-mm.
pagka we sit down face to face, done deal na yun.
Aha.
So,
Yon. Okay. So, grabe, no? Ang dami pang ginagawa. Let's go back to your family. Okay, let's go
sure.
back to your family. This is Father's Day. Because it's Father's
Yes.
Day, of course.
Mm.
Michael or Miko sent me a message for
Oh,
you.
It's a
Yay! Yes,
surprise.
this is
It's
my
a surprise.
surprise. This is my surprise. Nako, he is really so excited. You know, he sent this to me a week before pa. Grabe, 'di ba? That's
Wow,
how
galing nung
excited
ano niyo,
Miko is. So
ah.
I will be reading. Quiet ka dyan. Okay, baka mapa-tears
Sure.
ka. Okay, from Miko to my father Robert. I'm grateful that you are my dad, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to pay you back for what you have done. I surely miss being with you. Hopefully, we can make more memories together. Happy Paders Day to our Great Wall. Pader talaga. Advance
Pader.
anniversary because he sent this to me as I've said a year ago.
Ah,
Okay, advance
a week,
anniversary
a
to
week.
you and Mama Beng. Love,
Yes.
Michael, Joyce, and Isabel. Wow! Yay!
Yee!
Miko, thank you so much for your message. Okay, mamaya mag-ano na kayo, mag-FaceTime. And then of course, kasi may Michael, merong
Yes,
Sharon or Ayan Guerrero Ong, your daughter. Okay? So, happy Father's Day to our amazing dad who has given us the best things in life. His time, his care, and his love. May heart na ano yan na emoji. We are truly blessed to
Mhm.
have you as our
Uh-huh.
papa with a
Wow.
praying hand. And, ito na, belated 37th wedding anniversary to you and mama. We love you, Beng Guerrero Ong. Wow, 'di ba? By the way,
Wow.
listeners, to
Thank you,
my
thank you.
Spotlight family, Robert and Beng celebrated their 37th year anniversary last June 8. Am I correct?
Yes.
That's
Yes, yes,
June
yes.
8. Grabe, 37 years.
37?
37. Grabe, grabe. Ang saya naman, right? Okay. So, ayan, yun yung mga messages. Pero, hindi pa
Eh,
natapos doon, Batbo. Sorry, ah. Sana hindi
meron si
ka,
message si Beng?
hindi ka malungkot. May message si Beng.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes. Of course. To
Ba't naman
dearest
ako
Robert.
malulungkot? Katabi ko siya eh.
Hindi, joke lang. Sabi ko lang naman pa joke. 'Di ba?
Ah,
Syempre medyo soft voice ko. To dearest Robert, belated 37th wedding anniversary. Looking forward to another year to create precious memories with our family, travel, and enjoy our two beautiful granddaughters, Belle and Sophie, with a heart. Happy Father's Day too. Even when you were abroad or busy, you always made time and effort for our children. Thank you for everything that you do for us. Loved you then, love you still, always have and always will. Heart.
wow.
Bang. Ay, kinikilig ako.
Okay.
'Di ba?
Love you
Sobrang
too, mama.
sobrang ang
Andito siya eh.
oo nga, ang saya-saya naman. You know, I'm so happy for you because, biglang naging friends ko tuloy ang family mo. And
Oo.
this is they are so excited also about this program, we were talking, we were chatting, natutuwa ako. So I am so happy. Pero teka muna, let's listen first. Ito, time ulit natin. Paul Anka, Times of Your Life, only here
Yeah.
on Spotlight Radio FM. Journey to New Beginnings. All right,
Yun.
so we are back, and of course, I'm still your Lady Dawn here on Spotlight Radio FM. And of course, we heard a while ago the messages of Ayan and Miko, and of course, the wife Bang. All right, so syempre hindi kami papayag. You have to give your response to the messages of your whole family. Okay, on the spot, we
Uh,
want to hear what you have to say to your two kids, to your two grandchildren, and of course to Beng.
to my
Go!
loving wife. Yun, of course. Well, alam mo, to Mike and to Ian, it was not difficult really raising both of you eh. Kasi you are very nice kids. No? And I'm very happy that in your own right you're successful. in whatever you're doing. Tapos now that you have your own kids, I'm happier. Siyempre may
Yes.
apo na eh, no?
Mhm.
No? And I'm hoping and praying na you'll be able to raise them much better than the way we raised you. No? Ganun lang naman eh, 'di
Mhm.
ba? Improvement of the lineage.
Mhm.
Tapos yun, always remember to pray, to ask for thanks, to ask for guidance, no? Uh, and I just wanted to recall yung remember we had this parang group prayer with the ladies of ESF. May prayer group tayo, di ba?
Yes, right.
Yun. And yon talagang every morning when I wake up, I'm thankful because I have another day, no? Another
Yes.
day
Mhm.
to praise him, no? Siguro hindi naman through singing or what, but at least yung doing things for him,
Mhm.
for another person, no? Making that person's life a little bit better. So
Mhm.
yung opportunity na yun to wake up and be thankful and do
Mhm.
things for his glory. Yan. So, yan, Mike, thank you. And yun nga, not very difficult to raise you as kids. Remember that. Thank you for
Mhm.
the wishes and prayers as well. And to my loving wife, our children will not be like this if not for you as well.
Wow.
Kasi yung part na yun na wala ako dito physically, talagang siya yung nagpuno.
Mhm.
Hindi lang siya taking care of the kids for understanding me as well most of the times.
Yes. Right.
Thumbs up daw, thumbs up. Kasi hindi
Mhm.
lang hindi lang dalawa yung batang inaalagaan niya eh at that
Pangatlo
time.
ka.
Tatlo. So yun. So thank you very much.
Yes.
And yun. I'd really like to spend the rest of my life with you, no? Enjoying our two grandchildren. Hopefully madagdagan pa as we were talking earlier. Sana madagdagan pa ng boy kasi puro girl eh. Gusto
Mhm.
ko naman boy.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yun.
Yes.
Yun. And of
Wow.
course to you, Lady Dawn, for having me here, no? And to Master Wheels, no, for doing the technical background of this program. Thank
Mhm.
you. No?
And we don't know how much, how to thank you also. We are so grateful for saying you for saying yes to our program. This is our second episode of Let's Have Coffee with Lady Dawn. The first one was with Father Greg Ramos, and this is the second one. We
Mm.
want to make every episode of Let's Have Coffee with Lady Dawn have inspiring stories, where our listeners
Oh.
will be able uh, to have hope, and to feel the love, to feel the hope and faith and everything, because as we said, this station that we have right now, from the old Spotlight Radio FM, we move on to Journey to New Beginnings, because we want,
Mm.
and we are dedicating this station to the Lord our God, who is forever faithful. As I've said in my program last night, God has been very faithful to us. We may have undergone so much difficulties during the pandemic, and we are still in the
Mhm.
pandemic, but
Mhm.
we are so grateful. There are so many changes, and we became closer to Him, to the Lord God. Wala
Mhm.
tayong time eh. Most of the time, we go about our daily lives busy, 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 here, there, and everywhere. But now there's a time for us to reflect on our lives, be closer to our family, 'di ba? Parang
Mhm.
lahat
Yeah.
binibigay ni Lord our chance to, to renew our lives, to prepare us for what's coming ahead. So anyway, thank you so much, Robert, for being
Thank
with
you, Lady
us
Dawn.
today. Thank you, Michael, all the
Anytime.
way from where is it? Canada? Is it Canada?
No, no, Melbourne.
Melbourne,
Melbourne,
in
Australia.
Melbourne. Okay, in Melbourne, Australia, and of course Ian, and the husband and wife, and the children. Thank you so much, and of course Beng. Beng, thank you. I wish I could meet you very soon. Sana kasama ka na sa reunion namin if we will be ever having one, right? Very
Oh,
soon.
we will have
Yes.
for
All
sure, we
right.
will have.
So thank you. But before we go, I'd just like to tell our schedule again for Spotlight Radio FM. So first one, we have a Facebook account which is Spotlight Radio FM. You just have to search it. So we have daily prayers there, of course, the gospels there. All right, from 5 to 10 a.m. on our website, we have praise and worship songs. And then 10 a.m. onwards, we have jazz music. On Saturdays at 5 p.m. we have Rhythm of the Heart, where we play love songs, your requested love songs, and we talk about love, all right? And of course, let's have coffee with Lady Dawn. We will announce our next guest very soon. So you just have to like and follow our page, our FB page. And yes, you can also be part of our ministry for the Lord. You can all be part of us. In the website, you can see down below we have our all the programs that we have there, and our featured artists. And then we also have the daily gospel. So while you're listening in the morning to some praise and worship, the daily gospel is already below. All right. And we have, yes, the GCash account is there if you want to be part of our ministry. But really, really, thank you again to the Guerrero family, Batbu. Thank you so much. Sobrang
Thank
napasaya
you.
mo kami and our listeners. And soon we will
Thank
be,
you.
yeah, we will be having the replay for the benefit of our classmates and those who want to listen to the conversation today. Yeah, we will be having that sometime very soon, probably this weekend. We will announce
Mhm.
it in our Facebook account. So again,
All right.
thank you so much. And before I leave you and say goodbye for the meantime, thank you again to our dear family, Spotlight family, our listeners. I might not be able to have greeted all of you, but thank you so much. There's no more time. It's already 7 o'clock, but I hope you can listen to our future programs. All right. So we will leave you. This one was requested by our classmate Vien Papa. Okay, for
Uy.
all the way
All
from
right.
the U.S. In
Uh-huh.
California, she requested it. This Unforgettable by Nat King Cole and Natalie Cole. Only here on Spotlight
Wow.
Radio FM. Journey to New Beginnings.
All right.